be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Bow. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. And hey, man, as y'all can tell by the title, I ain't got to do too much talking. Y'all know y'all be waiting on these videos to drop like this. And I'm back with another one of these videos, man. I told y'all when I get some tires, I was going to do this for y'all, man. And I'm going to keep my word, you feel me? Time to turn up. Got to get this 15K. We're going to get this 15K the quick way. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. We finna get straight into it, though. I'm not going to go too wicked, you feel me? But I'm going to give y'all a couple turns, man. I'm not going to slide literally every turn, but I'm going to give y'all some turns for sure. You know what I'm saying? It's been a long time since we did it. I may be a little rusty, you know what I'm saying? So y'all bear with me. I gotta crawl before I walk, but we turning off traction right now on camera. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heard the ding, you know what that means, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get straight into it. We in sport mode. Well, yeah, I got the transmission in sport mode. I don't know if I'm gonna slide that first turn, but hopefully, you know what I'm saying, the view stay good. Hopefully y'all boy can see everything, you know what I'm saying? And I don't slide in manual because I like to call the shift when I be doing this, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna slide that first one, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know what I'm saying, gonna be a regular POV at the same time. But, you know what I'm saying, also, while we do that, you know what I'm saying, we just gonna get with it, you feel me? Well, you know what I'm saying, I already got into it, so. But yeah, car crew, man, I ain't did that in a minute, man. And I can tell the difference when you change the tires, it grip a little better. Grip a little better, I ain't gonna lie. All these cars trying to go that way. I ain't gonna go that way. Cause there's too much traffic. And I don't wanna, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna fishtail nobody. Did a hands-free POV in a minute, car crew. But yeah, car crew, I got a question for y'all too, though, man. Do y'all? I know y'all probably gonna say yeah, but should I put the stars in the roof, man? The star headliner. Ooh, should I put that in the roof, man? Comment down below if I should put the stars in the roof, man. I know Olivia. Y'all let me know something. Y'all let me know something, man. I've been having it in mind. And I'm gonna do it myself, so I've been having them in mind. Y'all just let me know. They can get done quicker than you think. I just need y'all to let me know, man. Should I get the stars in the roof? I may do a community post tab, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And ask y'all again. But y'all comment down below. I'm down, should go crazy. I couldn't slide that one because somebody want to have it traversing the way. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these hands-free POVs. I know y'all rock with them though. Y'all already say y'all do. Look at that Subaru. Oh, my bad, folks. I should have turned with you, but I ain't gonna make it weird like that. Yes sir, yes sir. But I feel like the camera, is the camera crooked? Am I tripping? I feel like them sitting a little crooked. Hopefully it's, let me see. Hopefully it's straight, man. It feel like them it made it look like that when I look up. It feel like it was sitting like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to mess y'all up, Cari, you know what I am? I ain't trying to mess y'all up, man. I'm trying to get y'all that good, the best quality I can give y'all, you feel me? That I'm able to give y'all. And y'all boys turn me up, bro. I'm trying to, hey, I want to get that camera, the 360 camera on the back, bro. So when I do these kind of videos, y'all can see how I really be looking. And then, you know, nighttime POV, when I be popping flame, man, y'all can see all that. I'm telling y'all, bro, I got the idea, bro. I just got to get the equipment. Y'all boys, y'all keep telling y'all to rock with me, bro. Rock with me. Subscribe. Get your boy to 15K, man. You give me the 15K, I'll be able to get the, you know what I'm saying, the 360 cam and all that. You feel me? But that felt good. It feel good when you got tires that's like, they ain't too new, but they got like, you know what I'm saying, enough tread to where when you do that, you're gonna hold that mud, you know what I'm saying? I should have turned right there. I might gotta turn around. I'm gonna give y'all a couple turns, bro. I ain't gonna do it every one, but you know, I'm gonna give y'all a couple turns. Stick 'em. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, man, nothing too crazy. All these turns that I'm missing. Man. Hopefully ain't nobody coming. I can do a U-turn right quick. I ain't gonna go too crazy, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it worth the while, you feel me? I'm gonna make it worth the while, Cari crew. But y'all comment down below, man, what other videos y'all would like to see, bro. I know, you know what I'm saying? I gotta come up with ideas, but y'all, boy, y'all never know, man. Y'all may tell me an idea that I never thought that y'all would look at. You know what I'm saying? And then I do it, and they go crazy. Cari crew, I slide. Boy, if it wasn't, depending on, okay, ain't nobody coming. That car turning right. Cari crew, I spin that bit. I couldn't spin how I want to. If it wasn't no traffic, I was gonna give y'all boys a circle, no cap. I was gonna give y'all boys a circle, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I've been out of the game for a minute doing it, you know, my tire situation, but I'm straight now. We back on it, you know what I'm saying? We back on that, Cari crew. And I just bought on tires just because when I get some better ones, oh, come on. Come on, man. Sliding POV coming soon, for real. For real. Like, no BS. Oh, that ain't the street yet. I thought that was the street right here. Let me see what back in the way. Like a nice neighborhood that needs a car like mine to go through. With all these trees. All these lovely trees. Y'all hear them? I know y'all hear that, man. I know y'all hear that, man. These some nice houses, though. I ain't gonna cap. They got all these. That house is hard. Hold on. Let's make sure y'all see that one. Now that bit tough. Oh, I'm going to grass. Them right here. Let me see if y'all can see it. This one right here. Damn, that be hard. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I had to dump my head down. Make sure I got y'all boy right. Oh yeah, come on, man. You know we driving with the. Bro, is my hit? Is that? Bro, is my truck cricket? Like, I think it is cricket. This bitch is cricket. Y'all ain't even say nothing, car crew. I know y'all can't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I'll just talk. I did not mean to do that. I wanted the video to be all in one take. But I had to fix it. Because it was kind of leaning. You know what I'm saying? Now let me point it down some more. See y'all boy again. Okay, that's a little better. That's a little better. I don't know what. Cause I knew I wasn't tripping, bro. Cause I ain't have it in the same spot I be having it in when I hold it. My bad, y'all, bro. Sorry for that horrible angle. You know what I'm saying? But we back at it. We back at it like nothing happened. Bro, that's me rolling at 20 miles per hour. And my downshift sound like that, man. Ain't nobody rocking with my downshift, bro. Ain't no scat rocking with my downshift, bro. Even ones with headers. You sound good, but you don't sound like Olivia. You know what I'm saying? That's what they don't understand. You don't sound like Big Liv. You feel me? All this traffic. Dang. All this traffic. Car crank, don't even lie. I seen that Explorer. I don't know if y'all saw it. It was Explorer that went by, right? And it was silver. Just like, you know, how the folk be. I was looking at the top of it as I was doing the call, like, I'm finna hit it. I could stop. I was gonna go crazy. I was finna really let loose on that one. But I was like, but I still did it, as y'all can see. But it wasn't them. I had to make sure, bro. Y'all be, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be like, man, go berserk. Like, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy. Like, bro, it's real life, bro. Y'all know how they, come on, it's real life now. We gotta be a little, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice, but that was a nice neighborhood, little road down there. But yeah, man, you know, we still gotta be a little cautious. But every time I hit the gas, my range go down 1 mile, bro. Every time. And I don't even be flooring the car. I bet they probably like, what in the absolute? But, oh, yeah, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let me get another one, Liv. I love going under the trees, bro. That junk just sounds so amazing. Car crew, man. I had to get y'all boys another sliding every turn, bro. It's been too long. I know y'all, majority of y'all subscribe off of that. You know, I know y'all be looking for that. But you know, I be wanting y'all boy to tap in and rock with videos for me too, bro. I'm gonna give y'all some lit videos, man. Cause just cause I ain't sliding every turn in the POV don't mean the POV ain't lit. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta watch it to find out. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all rocking with the car, like, you know what I'm saying, the build so far, even though I ain't did much, but like for people that never said nothing, you know what I'm saying, like the stripes, the looks, the yellow brakes, the rims, the wicker build, just, you know, just all the little, you know what I'm saying, 'cause my car's simple, you know what I'm saying, simplicity, you feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with simple. Too simple kind of can be, you know, bland, but when you add flavor in simple, it's like, okay, you know what I'm saying, 'cause you can't overdo it, you only can underdo it. But if you underdo it and it got flavor, it's like, nigga, nobody can be like, oh, you should have did this. car crew, bro. I don't know what's going on, bro. That mother, I ain't even know it started recording. That's why I be using the watch. That mother started recording as soon as I got done hitting that bit. And I was talking, but as I was saying before the video cut off, it was an older lady come. I said, I know I scared her, and I said I was gonna go, you know what I'm saying, extra sideways, but I didn't want to get in her lane because she was coming to me. You know how old folk, they be saying stuff, they be driving, they be like, oh my, you know, all that, you know what I'm saying? So I was just showing a little sympathy. But it's just a little warm up, you know what I'm saying? Just a little teaser, slight teaser. Look at the BMW. What is that, 330? Yeah. BMW little 330, man. But yeah, man. But as y'all can see the video, I don't know why it stopped recording. I literally ain't touched nothing. The camera's on my head, like, I don't know what happened. But car crew, yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Something short, sweet, something slight, straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have more bangers on the way, more hands-free POVs on the way. So y'all just stay tuned for that. But man, like I always say in all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch your car crew. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boys do that. And follow my religious folk, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix, stay prayed up. You know what I'm saying? Keep him in everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? Pray to him, talk to him, ask him for guidance and wisdom. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to be perfect. You don't got to be, you know what I'm saying, a goody two-shoes person, all that, man. Just have a good heart. You feel me? A good heart, true heart. You feel me? And just be real with yourself. You know what I'm saying? When you do wrong things, damn, how that get in here? You know what I'm saying? Wrong things ain't good thing, man. Wrong things ain't right things. That sounds better, but you know what I'm saying? So just keep God in your life, man. Without him, none of this would be possible for me. I don't know about nobody else. It wouldn't be possible, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So much done been happening in my life, man. The past, you know, like, this whole year. It's been a lot of changes, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people in and out your life, all that you don't want to be out your life, but hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, so you can't question it too much. You can question stuff all day and drive yourself crazy. You just gotta accept it, learn from it, adjust to it, and make better out of the situation. Push yourself to be better than what just happened, you know what I'm saying? So it's life. But enough of that preaching, you know what I'm saying? Like I also said at the end of my video, man. Oh, let me give y'all boys a little pull right quick, man. Y'all boys a little fitty roll. Y'all boys a little fitty roll on. Stick 'em. That's something a little slight, man. I ain't trying to go crazy out here. But yeah, man, like I said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.